All right, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mark Fuller, co-founder of TeamAlliance. Let me adjust my video a little bit. We're here with another trading day. Right now it's about lunchtime. It's roughly about 12:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's Wednesday, November 29th, and I'm here looking to see what I can get into. Looking to see if there are any trades, and that's not looking like there's a trade for me. Yeah, there's a lot of activity going on in the markets right now. I'm actually just getting settled down to take a look at the charts for today, and so far I'm not really seeing too much going on. Like this right here that's happening now is not much I could do with. This is not the environment that I prefer to be in, as far as what I want to see in the market, and um, the skill we possess and the skill that we teach is the ability to see the market and to capitalize on what we see in the market using NADEX 5-minute binary options. So if we don't see anything in the market, we don't have a trade, period. Without exception. We're very disciplined and patient traders, and that's what we teach. That's how we train people who become our students to be patient and disciplined. You combine those two together, excuse me, sorry about that. You combine those two together and you have consistently profitable trades that you'll find, or rather that will find you. So we stick to the script. We don't change anything up. We don't try to force our way into the market. There's no need to. We literally sit and wait patiently for the market to reveal itself to us, so to speak. And then we apply our vision and perspective of what the market has revealed to us to the NADEX binary options in order to generate profitable, consistent trades that make us money. So, in a nutshell, that's what it is that we do. We do it every day. We take our time, and there's really nothing else to it. So, I'm going to put this on pause. I'm going to just watch until I see some opportunities come up, and then I'll get into some trades, and I'll be back on at that time. All right. So, you guys just hang out, hang on. I don't know how long it's going to be, but I'm going to just sit and wait patiently until my trades are locked in, and I'm good to go for today. All right, hang on. All right, so I jumped into a trade here on the pound USD. I'm in long, meaning that I bought the market, and I am in anticipation of the market remaining above the 34.23 level. And with 30 seconds left, you can see right now the level that we are at is at 34.25. So all the market has to do is remain above the 34.23 level. This will be a winning trade. I have $17 of profit per contract on 18 contracts on this trade. So we got another 5 seconds or so, and we're closing at 34.23.5. Wow, at the very end, it started moving down back towards my strike price. There's a lot of activity going on in the market right now. We've already cautioned our students to be aware of what's happening with the market right now, and to really stay out if you're not confident in what it is that you're doing or what it is that you see. So, we are available for you when you join us and you sign up for training. We not only teach you the skill, but we teach you all of the things to watch out for in order to avoid pitfalls and losing money. Um, We're not here to lose trades. We're not here to lose money when we do trade, which is why we're so strict with the way that we trade, because we're not looking to give money back to the market. We're not looking to lose on trades. We're looking to remain consistently profitable. You know, we're not over trading. We're not taking too many trades in a day. We're not looking to try to make all of the money, you know, that looks like it's available on the table. We just remain consistent. We set whatever our goal is for the day. And if the trades are there, we take them. If there's no opportunities there, we don't take anything. So I'm going to come over to the chart. And I had this laid out on my analysis chart. This is MetaTrader MT4 platform. This was the trade I was just in a moment ago. And this is the candle right here that came back down and actually threatened my strike price. But it did end above the strike, so that was a winning trade for me. But you can see that there's a lot of activity in the market. So you have to be very cautious. And, you know, knowing these types of things, especially like this time of year, the volume and the momentum and volatility in the market is somewhat erratic. So there are moments where there's much more calmer behavior in the market, which gives us opportunity to find the trades that we're looking for. You know, we don't trade unless we have the trades in our sight that we want, that we're actually looking for. We're not forcing anything. You know, we're looking to be profitable and to remain that way. But anyway, you know, these are all little things that you'll learn as you're in training anyway. So, you know, our training is very effective. It's proven to be very effective, especially for people that are new to this industry. If you haven't really been like kind of polluted with a lot of information regarding how you should be trading or what you should be looking for, indicators that you should be using and things of that nature, you know, if you haven't been polluted with all of that information, you actually will be much better off than most people who are trading, because you're able to learn something very specific that you can apply over and over again in the market in order to be profitable. That's what it is that we know. That's what it is that we possess as far as skill. And that's what it is that we teach. So I'm just watching right now to see if there's going to be an opportunity here. And I do think I see one. Let me try to take this trade right here. I'm going to get into this right here. So what I just did was I entered this trade. This is the 34.25 strike. I'm long, meaning that I'm anticipating that the price will remain above 34.25. I have 18 contracts at a price of 80.75. Let me get my calculator and just calculate that real quick. Even though I already know what it is, 100 minus 80.25, 80.75. So that's 1925 times 18 contracts. So that's going to be 346.50. And that's going to be on top of the $306 from the previous trade, 306. All right, so right now we're looking at 652.50. Assuming, of course, that this remains above 34.25, and we got 10 seconds left, and you can see that the price is at 34.27. So this is looking like it's going to be another profitable trade. 2 seconds left, and you can see 34.27 is where it closed. Another profitable trade. All right, so far we're looking at 652.50, and I just let the video run. You can see I just took 2 trades in 10 minutes. 2 profitable trades in 10 minutes for $652. So I'm going to see if I can get into one more trade, and if I can, beautiful. I'm trying to do it while I still have you guys with me, so I don't have to keep pausing. But if I need to pause, I'll pause the video and I'll come back, because I don't want too much time to lapse. I want to come back and talk a little bit about our service and the training that we provide. All right, so let me just keep my eye on this real quick. See what this market is looking like. Market is actually looking pretty good right now. This is another reason why we prefer to trade around lunchtime, because the market is calmer. I'm not going to say it's more predictable, because we're not here to predict anything. We're here to follow the market and let the market lead us into a profitable trade on NADEX. That's what we are skilled at doing, and that's the skill that we teach those of you who become our students. So there was one question that it keeps popping up about, when you're in a trade, people have been asking me about the profit loss that you see over here. Like the last 30 seconds of a trade, um last 30 seconds of a trade on NADEX, they close the trade, so to speak, to market prices. So unless somebody puts an actual working order out there and you see it and you grab it on the other side, unless it's that, you can't get into or out of a trade after 30 seconds is left on the binary, because they close it off to liquidity, meaning that they don't allow anyone who's in to get out, and they don't make it available to anyone who's not in to get into the trade after 30 seconds. So that's why when 30 seconds is left on the binary, over here you'll see this as a red number and it'll be in a negative, and that's because it's reflecting whatever the amount of money is that you actually have at risk on the trade to lose if the market does not close in your favor. Okay? But if you win the trade, you're going to be paid. And you'll know that by the confirmation that you receive in your email. It'll let you know what the settlement amount was, what the actual indicative price, which is this price here. This is the only price that matters when the market closes. Wherever this price is in relation to your strike price, whether it be above, if you're buying, you want it to close above or higher. If you're selling, you want it to close below. And let me take a look at this real quick, because I do see an opportunity and I do not want to miss it. You gotta move fast. It's moving, it's moving, it's moving. All right, I got in there. All right, I'm confident in my decision to take that trade. So we're just gonna wait this out. This right here is gonna be a little tight, it seems to be, but we're at 40 seconds, and I'm using the 34.29 strike. So I'm just looking for the market to remain above there, and it is very close, very close. Like it's sitting right on the strike. I need it to go at least one micro pip above here to be a winning trade for me. So we're going to see what happens here. Yes, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Confidence. We got 2 seconds left. You see the price, 34.30. Bam. Yes. Now that was exhilarating, because I could have lost that trade. Had me on edge a little bit. I could have lost that trade. But anyway, let me calculate these profits. So 652.50. Let me see. 652.50 is where I'm at right now on that trade. My entry was at 78.75, I believe. And my phone is going off. I mean, really off. I'm gonna pause real quick, guys. Oh man, I'm at the end of the video. Hang on, hang on. All right, 1,035 for the day. Connect with me on Facebook. We'll get you started with the training.